Hi all, welcome back. So today is 16th December 2022 and markets are already closed for the day. Okay, so in this video, I want to explain you about the intraday price action that has happened today in Tata Motors. Okay, I have seen one interesting thing in the Tata Motors behavior today. So I want to explain you also so that you can understand how price moves or price is manipulated by the big players in the intraday price actions. Okay, so let us go to the topic directly. So I am on the Tata Motors 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, and I have plotted one key level here. So let me explain you what is that level. For that, I'm going to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame chart, Tata Motors time frame chart. Okay, and I have plotted that as a key level because uh, when the price is trading below that level, it is getting resistance here, multiple resistances. Even on 6th October, though the price managed to stay above that level on that day, but immediately on 10th October, there was a huge gap down opening and again there was a selling. So it did not stay much time above that level. Okay, so this is giving a good resistance in this time. And once when it started behaving as a support, when the price is trading above that level and it is behaving the support, then the price is more capable to reach up to this highs, that is around 440 zone. Okay, that is what we are observing here, right? So whenever it is getting the support at this level, then the price is more capable of reaching to these heights. So that is what has happened in the recent past only. And what is happening from last 2 to 3 days is, okay, and you are observing that from last 2 days, mainly yesterday and today, there was completely selling in the all the stocks. So in NSE and BSE, almost 90 to 95% stocks are under selling pressure, and most of them have reached to the support level, and some stocks even they fell below the support levels also. So that is what we are seeing from last 2 days. Okay, so almost 90 to 95% stocks fell down completely, and most of them are at the support, and some stocks are below the support levels also. And today, what happened in this specific Tata Motors stock? Okay, so you are seeing that in on 9th December, price fell to that same level and it took support, right? Whatever the level which we have drawn in the 1 hour time frame, in the on 9th September, again price fell down and it took support. It managed to go up to this point. Okay, so I will draw that level. Okay, so buyers managed to make the price reach at least to this zone after getting the support. Okay, and if I go to the lower time frame now, okay, 15-minute time frame, you can see. So it took support here and the price went to this point. So buyers managed to go up again above this blue line. On 3 attempts they have done it. Okay, and since complete market wide selling from last 2 days, so there was selling pressure in the Tata Motors also. But apart from selling pressure, there is one good manipulation done by the big players here. Okay, so if you see, I will add the session breaks so that you can understand the days. Okay, okay, so if you see it clearly, after getting support, they managed to bring up to this point. The buyers managed to make the price up to this point. So due to selling pressure from yesterday, so there was a selling here, right? Fine. And today what happened, if I zoom here, initially they tried to go up to reach that point, but before going to that point only, immediately they started bringing it down. So what happens here is, so those who are expecting that by seeing this good green candle, who was expecting that the price will hit that blue line, so there might be many intraday buyers here, but unfortunately, immediately price started falling down continuously, and all the buyers who have entered the position here, they have closed their position or they have booked the loss mainly when the price went below the first 5-minute candle or just below the support level. So here at this point of time, nobody interested to take the buy position, because buyers are failed to go up. And also yesterday there was a complete selling day, and today also even buyers managed to go up, they did not able to succeed in it, and again they fell below the support. So what at this point of time, especially on this candle 1045 candle, what will be the mind set on of all the traders, mainly intraday traders? So generally, it will be a psychological thinking that they will take the sell position here, especially because there is a key support level which is closer to it, and also buyers did not able to succeed in reaching the price to that blue line, right? So combining these 2 points, one is key support level is closer to the price now, and also buyers already in the same day, today first session only, attempt only, they failed and the price fell down. So that means the price is not interested to go towards that point, towards that blue line. So this is what we feel when the price is trading in this zone, and we will be taking very confidently on the selling, shorting the price, shorting the stock. So there might be many intraday traders who is taking the selling price here. But unfortunately, what happened? 2 times of selling has happened, but it did not able to go below, or this second time, second attempt or second wave of selling did not get the good closing below the support, right? So they managed, buyers managed to break this signal here for the sellers, and immediately they started going up. Okay. So again, what happened here? There are many sellers, small traders, new traders, those who are trying to take the small profit from this 1 or 2 rupee zone. They might have closed their position here, because reason is 2 attempts of selling has happened, but none of the candle has given a good signal for the sellers apart from this 1045 candle, and against to that there was a buying against to the sellers. So they might have closed the positions immediately, and some people might have still be open or still active because of the complete market wide selling. So there are sellers here, right? Some people might want to take some risk also, so they don't want to take out the position with the loss. Again, they try to go up, but none of the candles here also, none of the candles are closed above the previous candles. So here also buyers did not get the chance to take the buy position. So when the price is coming down again, this is a place where millions of traders will be taking their positions again. And also some people might have added their positions, or to average their quantity or to increase their quantity in the position. So these 2 places, there will be multiple intraday traders mainly, and somewhat positional traders also will try to take this some profit out of it. So combining everything, and combining with the market wide selling also, NSE, complete Nifty and Sensex side wide selling also, everybody are very much confident that okay, this time the price will reach to this support. With a lots of confidence, there will be many sellers will be entering here. But unfortunately, if you don't observe the candles very carefully, you will be killing it off. Reason is, there was a second wave of selling here again, but what happened in the last half an hour duration? It was completely shoot up to the almost to the level 427. Do you know why this kind of big candles has happened today at the end? Reason is these sellers. There are number of sellers entered their positions here in these 2 zones, expecting that the price will hit this, and keeping their positions active until the price comes to that position. But immediately, last half an hour duration, the complete scenario was changed. Immediately, manipulators made an opposite move, a shocking move. They did not even given a chance to think or understand what is happening for the intraday position players who has taken the selling here. So this particular move is completely a manipulated move. It is done intentionally by the big players, because they know that there are many sellers here, and everybody has some stop losses. Some people might have kept the stop losses somewhere here. Some people might have kept stop losses somewhere here also. and some people might have kept stop loss somewhere here also. So their intention is to kill everybody who is keeping the stop losses in all the places. And that is the reason a sharp move in the opposite direction of the thinking whatever retail trader or normal trader opinion is. So that is what has happened today in the Tata Motors. Okay. And now you may ask me one question here. So how we can understand that or how we can keep our positions somewhat safety, or how we can avoid this much huge losses? Every time I will tell the same concept. I will repeat it again. Okay, so let me clear this off. Okay, let me clear this off also so that you can clearly see the candles behavior. Okay, now what happens here? This particular candle, a 1045 candle, might give a clear indication that the price is going down. Okay, so one thing is, many traders will be taking their position, definitely expecting that the price will come to this point. But you have to keep on monitoring the candles, each candle by candle. Don't come out of, don't come out of your laptops. Don't come out of the market after taking the position here, being too much confident that it will come down. You have to you have to be at your desk only, keep watching each candle and understand what it is happening. Okay. So here, this particular candle might have induced many traders to take their sell positions. Fine. But when we are observing it, buyers managed to take it up to some extent, but again there was a selling. This is the second wave, I can say, or second attempt of selling. When second attempt of selling is not successful in closing below the support, then that is somewhat negative to the sellers. It should not happen like this. So when you see this kind of behavior, when the closing is not below the support level, you better come out of the position. Okay, with the minimum profit or minimum loss, you come out of your position. Okay, that is what one action you have to do when you are in the intraday trading and price is going up. Okay, and what happens here? Let me clear this also. Then you might be thinking that the price will go up again, and you may want to take the buy position also, right? So assume, if you see this candle, once you see the candle, because this candle has closed above the small resistance, right? If I bring this, right, this is the small resistance. And not like this. The closing is not below here, but the closing is above the small resistance here. So that gave somewhat a signal to the buyers, right? So they might have taken, many buyers, traders might have taken buy position. But following candles are not good to the buyers. All the closings are below the previous candle highs. So this is a sign for the buyers to come out of their position. Don't stay there. Just come out of your position. Don't expect that it will, after some time, it may go up. Yeah, we are seeing some spike towards the high, but we don't know, or we cannot tell that this will happen or not, because already there is a small signal that none of the candles are closing above the previous candles. So even if you're taken a buy position here, just come out of your position. So here, even if you're taken sell position, because of the not closings are good, because closings are not good here, you will come out of your position. Even if you have taken a buy position, you are seeing that following candles are not having a good closing, so you should come out of your position. And this is the place where many traders will be getting confused, because again there was a good red candle here closing below the previous candles. So this might have induced many sellers again. But one point which we have to clearly understand is, this is the support which we have to consider now, right? Because sellers maximum at max, they are able to bring the price up to this extent only in this particular day, right? But still that support is not broken. Though we are seeing some sort of selling here, the support is still active and it is giving support here. So we have to be very cautious, and we have to see the closings below the support. So when you see the closings below the support, then it would have been definitely fallen up to the support level. The price might have fell up to the support level. But since the closings are not good here also, and it is closings are above the support level, we should not take the selling position. Maybe because of psychological thinking that second attempt or this time it will be succeeded, by seeing these spikes or closings not in favor of sellers, you should come out of a position. But still, if you are in the position, you are stop hunted here. These big spikes. So those who have not understanding the candle price action, those who are still want to be take some risk and still want to be in the position, are all killed here. So what I want to tell you is, every trap has some signals. So if you identify that signal, you will come out of the trap. If you don't identify that signal, you will be in the position and you will be in the trap, and definitely you will be killed off by making you to take the huge losses. Okay, every trap has some signals. Every trap has some signals. Don't think that we will not able to understand what is happening. Every trap, even if you see yesterday's price action also, there is a buying here, but none of the candles are closing below above the previous candles. Right? This is a repeated point I used to say every video. There is a buying here, but none of the candles are closing above the previous candles. And I understood that this will be a buying trap. And as expected, from there on, price started falling down. So spikes are the really danger spots for the intraday players. So when you see the spikes at the top of the body of the candle, don't take the buy positions. Even though you are seeing some sort of upward move, don't take the buy positions. And even if you see the spikes below the body of the candles, don't take the sell positions. So we have to be very cautious when the candle is closing as a spike. This spike itself will make many traders to enter your position. Because if you see this particular candle, assume this is a 15-minute time frame candle. What they will do, first 13 minutes or 12 minutes, they will trade closer to that support resistance. So they make an assumption, they make the traders to feel that, okay, almost 13 minutes, the price is trading closer to it. So there is a chance that price may come to this blue line. But last 2 minutes, the manipulators will come in and they will make that as a spike. So the spikes are that much really danger. We should be very cautious when handling with the spikes. Just come out of your position. Don't expect that it will be in your favor. Sometimes it may happen. I don't say that every time you will be losing, but that will be very lucky if the price is coming in your way again. Most of the time it will go against you. So don't take any risks and keep watching each candle very carefully, and following candles are not closing, it's not closing in your opinion, just come out of your position, don't stay there. And even if it again coming in your way and the closing is in support with the sellers, then you can take the short position, but that did not happen today. But psychologically, many sellers have entered here because expecting that this place might be the chance that sellers will bring it to the support. Then that psychological thinking made the manipulators to take their positions very strongly to kill everybody. That manipulators are there, traps are there, and also signals are also there. Only thing is that you have to understand each candle behavior very carefully. Very carefully. If closings are not good, or if closings are not good and also it is not in your favor, if you are assuming the price will come and candle should close below the previous candle lows, and if that is not happening, just come out of your position. And if you have taken a buy position and the following candles are not closing above the previous candle highs, just come out of your position. Don't expect that it will come during the day anytime. Okay, it may happen, it may not happen, but even if you take one loss also, it will be wiping off three intraday profits. Okay, one intraday loss will wipe off three intraday profits. So we should be very careful. Don't try to take the positions immediately. Don't force yourself to take the positions. Keep practicing the psychological management also. Control yourself. Keep watching the candles very carefully. Based on the signals only, you have to enter. And even if you are entering the position, if you're keep watching the candles, following candles also, don't come out of your risk. Keep stay at your desk only. Keep focusing on candles, each candle day, one by one. And if it's not closings are not good, just come out of your position. So this is the key things which we have to follow in the intraday trading. I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you, because I have taken this Tata Motors today because this is the stock which has faced the manipulated trap today. Because if you compare other stocks, all fell down continuously and they reached supports. But here, the manipulators did not make the sellers to succeed today, and they utilized that psychological thinking, and they manipulated it and they killed everybody. And that's the reason I picked this stock for the today video. I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you. Okay, so keep practicing. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.